Hey guys, and how's it going? In this video we are going to be learning about how to add Google Calendar to WordPress website. So I have personally noted down some of the steps that you can use, and step by step you will be able to learn that how easily you can incorporate Google Calendar to your WordPress website. So the first step is obviously install Pretty Google Calendar plugin. So basically you can find it in the plugins library on WordPress. So simply head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, add new, and then get the Pretty Google Calendar and install it and activate it. Then we are going to be creating a Google API. So go to Google Cloud Console, and if it is your first time, accept the terms and condition, create a new project, enable Google Calendar API, then go to credentials and create a new API key. Once your API key is created, make sure that it is saved, and you head over to your dashboard again. Make sure that you don't just share it with anyone else. Then you need to make your Google Calendar public. Now open your Google Calendar, click on gear icon and select settings. Find the calendar you want to share and click on it. Check the mail, check the box, and make available to public. Note down that calendar ID. Make sure that you don't simply misplace this. And then the step 4 is display your Google Calendar on WordPress site. So now we are going to be going over to our page or post where you want the calendar itself. Then click on the plus add block and choose shortcode. So you are going to be entering this particular shortcode in there and replacing the calendar ID with your calendar ID, of course, and add any other content and publish update the page. And then we have the method 2, adding to sidebar. Go to appearance and then widgets, add a shortcode widget to sidebar and paste the Pretty Google Calendar shortcode with your calendar ID. So simply update the widget, and if you're using block enabled themes, you might need to use full site editor to add the widget. And that's pretty much it. Now our calendar is live and good to go. So these were some steps to incorporate Google Calendar onto your WordPress website. I really hope you found this couple of steps pretty simple to follow. And yeah, let us know in the comment, and really excited for the next couple of tutorials. So until then, take care and goodbye.